Today we read 2 Kings 20-21. We are on day 214 of the Bible recap. I really loved what Tara Leigh expounded on about prayer being used by God and us drawing near to him through prayer. It's so like us to not pray when things are going well, and then we just drift away. I have no doubt that Satan uses good things to distract us from nearness to God. Would you join me in responding in worship today with Sweet Hour of Prayer, a hymn written around 1845. Sweet hour of prayer, sweet hour of prayer that calls me from a world of care and bids me at my Father's throne make all my wants and wishes known. In seasons of distress and grief, my soul has often found relief and oft escaped the tempter's snare by thy return, sweet hour of prayer. Sweet hour of prayer, sweet hour of prayer, the joys I feel, the bliss I share of those whose anxious spirits burn with strong desires for thy return. With such I hasten to the place where God my Savior shows his face, and gladly take my station there and wait for thee, sweet hour of prayer. Sweet hour of prayer, sweet hour of prayer, thy wings shall my petition bear to him whose truth and faithfulness engage the waiting soul to bless. And since he bids me seek his face, believe his word and trust his grace, I cast on him my every care and wait for thee, sweet hour of prayer. What beautiful words. I pray that you and I both would long to spend time with God in prayer, no matter what is going on in our lives, good or bad. Thanks for worshiping with me today. I am Debbie Byrd, and I'll see you tomorrow.